Did you know that agriculture currently uses 70% of the world's fresh water, and a third of all food produced globally goes to waste? That's over 1 billion tons of food lost every single year. But here's the incredible news: AI is solving both of these problems simultaneously, and it's happening faster than most people realize. In 2025 alone, AI-powered agricultural startups raised over $8 billion in funding. And by 2027, the AI agriculture market is projected to hit nearly $5 billion globally. So whether you're a farmer, a tech enthusiast, or just someone who eats food, this matters to you. Imagine a drone flying over a cornfield. But this isn't just any drone. It's equipped with multispectral cameras that can see beyond what the human eye can detect. While you and I see a green field, this AI sees individual plants. It can detect nitrogen deficiency, water stress, pest infestations, and fungal infections days before any human could spot them. Companies like John Deere have integrated AI directly into their equipment, with systems that can identify and spray individual weeds with surgical precision, reducing herbicide use by up to 90%. The AI processes over 2,000 images per minute, identifying each plant and deciding in milliseconds whether it's a crop or a weed. And the results? Farmers using precision agriculture are reporting yield increases of 20 to 30% while cutting input costs by a similar margin. Here's a problem you probably never thought about. There simply aren't enough people to pick our fruits and vegetables. Labor shortages in agriculture are reaching critical levels worldwide. Enter the harvesting robots. Companies like Harvest Automation and AppHarvest have developed robotic arms that can pick tomatoes, strawberries, and apples without damaging them. These robots use computer vision and soft-touch grippers, AI-powered hands that can feel exactly how much pressure to apply. A single robot can pick the same amount as 3 to 4 human workers, working 24 hours a day without breaks. In Japan, AI-powered cucumber sorting machines can grade cucumbers into 9 different quality categories in under a second. In California, robotic strawberry pickers are now harvesting millions of berries daily. Subscribe to stay updated on how these robots are changing the food on your plate. What if you could know exactly what your soil needs, down to the micronutrient, without sending samples to a lab? AI-powered soil sensors are making this a reality. These systems use machine learning to analyze soil composition, moisture levels, microbial activity, and nutrient availability in real time. The AI crunches thousands of data points and tells the farmer exactly which fertilizer to apply, how much, and when. This isn't just good for yields, it's revolutionary for the environment. Traditional farming often over-fertilizes, and that excess runs off into rivers, creating enormous dead zones in our oceans. By optimizing fertilizer application, AI is helping eliminate this pollution at its source. The AI also predicts soil degradation trends years in advance, allowing farmers to rotate crops and adjust practices before problems emerge. Some systems can even predict the optimal planting window with 72-hour precision using hyperlocal weather data combined with soil conditions. We mentioned earlier that agriculture uses 70% of the world's fresh water. Much of it is wasted through inefficient irrigation. AI-driven smart irrigation systems are changing this dramatically. These systems combine satellite imagery, weather forecasts, soil moisture sensors, and crop-specific water requirement models to deliver exactly the right amount of water, no more, no less. Companies like CropX and Prospera have deployed systems that reduce water usage by 30 to 50% while maintaining or even increasing yields. In Israel, where water scarcity has always been a challenge, AI-powered drip irrigation has transformed the desert into productive farmland. The system learns from every irrigation cycle, continuously improving its predictions. It can detect leaks in real time, adjust for upcoming rain, and even schedule irrigation for optimal energy rates. Some advanced systems use neural networks trained on decades of farm data to predict water requirements 7 days in advance with 90% accuracy. Here's where it gets really interesting. AI isn't just transforming how we grow food, it's revolutionizing the entire supply chain. From predicting crop yields months before harvest to optimizing delivery routes, reducing spoilage, and even influencing what supermarkets stock on their shelves. IBM's Watson has been used to predict crop prices and flag supply chain disruptions before they happen. AI-powered cold chains monitor every second of a product's journey from farm to grocery store, ensuring optimal temperature and humidity. When a shipment of lettuce starts to warm up, the system alerts the truck driver and adjusts refrigeration automatically. But perhaps most exciting is AI-powered vertical farming. Companies like Plenty and AeroFarms are growing crops indoors, stacked vertically, with AI controlling every variable. Light spectrum, temperature, humidity, CO2 levels, and nutrient delivery are all optimized by machine learning algorithms. These farms use 95% less water than traditional farming, produce yields up to 350 times higher per square foot, and can be located in the middle of cities, bringing fresh produce directly to urban populations.